Lisa Rosenberg here, giving you my latest retail report. It's a few days before Christmas, and I'm in my old neighborhood, Old Irving Park. It's really a lovely area of Chicago that I've lived here since 2003. I moved in 2019, and I'm just visiting and considering moving back. I'm living in the suburbs currently. I happen to be at a place that was very, very well known in the neighborhood. It was called MacNamara's. Just around the time of pandemic, we moved in 2019. It was around then, I believe, that it switched over to a breakfast place. After opening, it unfortunately encountered COVID. And so it's been a very challenging time for businesses, as we all know. This place looks pretty much the same. It's the same chairs that were here before. Booths look like they're new, but it's basically all stripped down. It's a nice, clean environment. It's not like MacNamara's at all. It looks like a brand new place. And it's very bright light. Here, let me take you to a view of the street. What you're seeing there is Old Irving Park. This is what I would call a walking neighborhood, except unfortunately there's been some crime in the last few years, just like a lot of urban areas. But I'm looking forward to having breakfast. I've ordered coffee, I ordered an omelet, and I will be back with my food shortly. And here are a couple of other menu items and a picture of the storefront on Irving Park. I hope you have a great day and enjoy yourself during the holidays. This is Lisa Rosenberg with our retail report.